Oi. Parkin's been. There's the supper.
What are we supposed to do with that?
Eat it.
Eat it? Fucker's alive.
Yeah, I know that. You got to kill it.
Me? I'm the fire lighter and fuel collector.
Yeah, I know that, but I got the logs in. Yeah, it takes away your appetite looking at it.
No, it doesn't. I'm starving. How can we make it die?
You got to throttle him. Listen, I think you should strangle it instantly in case it starts trying to make friends with us.
All right, get hold of it. You hold it down, and I'll strangle it.
I can't. Those dreadful beady eyes, they stare you out.
It's a bloody chicken. Just think of it as bacon across its back. All right, I'll deal with this. You'll have to get its guts out.
Never point guns at people. It's extremely dangerous. Now, what about this roasting dish? What are we going to cook it in?
You're the food and plumbing's man. No idea. Wish I'd found this an hour ago. I'd have taken great pleasure in gunning this pullet down. Shouldn't be more ball than that.
No, it shouldn't. Right. We're going to have to reverse the roles. We can bake the potatoes in the oven. And we can boil this bastard over the fire.
Let's get its feet off.
No. It's going to need its feet. It could stand with its legs either side of that.
I've already put 2 shilling pieces in. No, I haven't got another. Well, it's not my fault if the system doesn't work.
Bitch hung up on me.